Hello, sixth grade. Today is Wednesday, October 28th. And today in class we shared first of all, I got to share Ian and Holly's awesome work with the class, so very good job, you two. And then we also acted out our scenes from the play, which was also wonderful. And then after that, so you should definitely be practicing your acting skills. Even if you're just talking to yourself, you should read your part out loud in the closet if you want to, so nobody can hear you, and read it with feeling to practice. And let's see, then today the assignment is to read 8 Reasons to Not Be Spooked by Spiders This Halloween. Kind of some fun holiday reading. It is 1, 2, 3 pages long. I'll upload yours for you shortly, or might just email them to you. And then on the back of the 4th page, there are text-dependent questions. Make sure you write complete sentence for number 5 or sentences. So that's first, and then if you have the students also needed to study for spelling, so they did that on Spelling City, and waggle for 10 minutes. You can waggle for however many minutes you want, but so far I have assigned 20 minutes total for the week. 10 minutes yesterday, 10 minutes today. And your spelling test is going to be taken on Friday. If you are not here, you still take your test on Friday. And Holly, I got your cursive spelling. Thank you so much for that. Ian, I haven't seen yours yet, so make sure you get that to me. And then make sure you read for homework too. So you also need to just be reading a book you want to read, or you can read your leveled reader, which is found on HMH. That's something that you should read and reread and read it out loud sometimes even for extra practice. Those leveled readers are at your reading level, and they're good for you to practice and practice and practice. And if there's a word you're not sure of, you should stop and ask a parent or an older sibling to help you with it. That project is due on Wednesday. So everybody else will be sharing their project on Wednesday, so I want you to have your project done on Wednesday as well. Tests and projects should really be done the same day that everybody else is presenting them or taking the test. So that being said, your actual assignment is to read and answer these questions and turn them in to me. I will make it available on Kami for you so that you can just simply share it back to me in the Google Classroom. Just turn it in as an assignment, and then waggle for at least 10 minutes, study spelling on Spelling City, and read your leveled reader in whatever other book you are enjoying. And that's it. Have a great day.